Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Divya Chug. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video I will gonna share Mamaearth Ubtan facial kit. I will give you full review about this facial kit and also guide you that how can you do facial at home and get a salon like glow. So this festive season you can use this facial kit. You can use this facial kit only one before starting the video. If you don't have subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so you can get all the notification whenever I post a new video. Let's get started.
This facial kit helps to provide brighten skin tone, remove tan, gently exfoliate. This facial kit is paraben, toxin and chemicals free. It contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, make skin glow, fight signs of aging and protect from sun damage. Saffron soothes skin and adds responding skin cells, making the skin radiant. This facial kit can be used for one time only as make them hygienic and convenient to use. You can see the glow on my face after using this facial kit. It's long like facial glow. That too with comfort of sitting at home. Mamaearth chemical free and natural product. Whenever you buy from Mamaearth, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. The exact geolocation picture and the spices of tree will be sent to you. Mamaearth is plastic positive and Indian brand. Mamaearth has launched their official app. User get early access to sales and get extra discount. Mamaearth has launched its loyalty program called Goodness Insider. You will get free ship and free gifts on every order, and exclusive sales offers as well only for insiders. The link to become a Goodness Insider is also in the description. And if you want to buy the product, you can buy from Mamaearth, Nykaa, Purple, Amazon, Flipkart for adults. And if you want to buy for baby, you can buy from Mamaearth, First Cry and Nykaa. Hope you like the video. You can see how my skin look like after using this facial kit. I will highly recommend you to try this facial kit as festive season is going on. And also don't forget to share my video in your friends and family.
I hope आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा और कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा कि आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी. सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन बाय बाय, टेक केयर.